Hi, is your favorite designer Tosmas. Today I'll be showing us how to create a multi-edit in Figma. Before, if you want to edit this three rectangle on this different screen, you have to select the first one, the second one, and the third one. Let's say you want to increase it, you want to scale it up. So you just do something like this or something like this. But we don't have to do it this way again. There's a way we can actually do it using Figma multi-edit. So I will just select this rectangle. For it to work, that means this and this have the same name with this. So if I select matching layers now, so actually select the three, and I can actually do what I did before. Can you see? And I can change the color. So I can change the color. Same thing with this one. Select matching layers. See, that select matching layers. Then I'll come here. Let me give it this particular color. And sometimes you want to use Figma Auto Layouts. We can actually use Figma Auto Layouts from this very first screen instead of selecting this one, then selecting this one, and same thing with this one. We can actually do it from here. Just select all these ones together. Once they are being selected like this, just go to select matching layers. As you can see, all the three screens have been grouped together. So we just press Shift A to use auto layers. See, auto layout has been added to the three screens because you have matching layers on the three screens. Now, the next thing for me to do now, I want to edit this button with the title continue. So I'll come here, click on the continue, and press Shift to select the continue on the three screens. Then I want to edit the continue from continue to next. I will just press enter. Once I press enter, I'll just type next. As you can see, the changes has been effected on the three screens. So this is how we can use multi-edit for so many things. You can use it to, maybe you have a text on different screens that you want to change. Instead of going through the whole process of going to the changing on the first screen, second screen, and third screen, you can just do it from the first screen. But we have to make sure that they have the same name. They have the same, the layers are named the same. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.